Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you generate unlimited income with Canva. So we all know that Canva is not just a design tool, it can become your automated money machine. So create a Canva account and go to create a design. Here you can use Canva to create printable planners, Instagram templates, resume, ebook, business card, and digital wall art. Then after you have created that, then you can sell that using platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. So all you have to do here is look for the specific template. For example, you will be doing a design for planners or printable planners. So you will be creating a planner right here. You have to select that specific template here and create one. Apart from that, you can also create resume template, ebook, and all you have to do is to simply design it and sell this to Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. So all you have to do is to create an account, and then of course, it offers bundles and each specific designs to stand out. So all you have to do is to create bundles of templates here. So let's just say if you want to sell Instagram post templates, all you have to do is go to Canva, type Instagram, select a design, and then add quotes or whatever you want to do here. You can ask ChatGPT for a help if you want to create templates for quotes or popular quotes, and you can ask ChatGPT to generate quotes for you, popular quotes, copy, and then go back to Canva and paste it one by one. And then you can now share, download this in PNG or PDF, and then sell this or upload this to Creative Market, design bundles, or your own Shopify or WooCommerce e-store. So you can also offer social media content packs like Instagram stories and also YouTube thumbnails, which is indeed very popular nowadays. In Canva, you can create YouTube thumbnails and you can sell these skills in Fiverr, in Upwork, everything is up to you. So all you have to do is go to Canva, search for YouTube thumbnail, create YouTube thumbnail here, design, go to elements, add whatever you want to add here, and then sell this. So you can sell this to influencers, small businesses, coaches, or course creators and deliver it as Canva share links, editable, plus bonus assets. So that's it. There are a lot of things that you can do. You can also sell mugs to Printify, and you just have to design your mugs right here, and then you can sell this design. And basically, that's it. So that's how you generate unlimited income with Canva. That's very easy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.